31. 31.
Very good.
31. 35.
सो यहाँ पे रैंडमली दिए गए हैं ताकि बच्चा एक सीक्वेंस समझकर 31, 32, 33 ना लिखे. सो रैंडमली नंबर्स दिए हैं सो दैट वो पढ़े और समझे, फिर उसके बाद उसका एक्चुअल रिजल्ट लिखे. कैन यू रीड इट अलाउड नाउ?
Okay. 30 plus 36. 38. 38. 32.
Very good.
When they will give 33. 30 plus 4. 34.
Very good.
Thirty plus 7. 37.
Very good.
When they will give 33.
It will come as a surprise to you towards the end.
Oh, yes.
I don't know.
No, 33. 30 plus 3. 33.
So do this.
Also, I'm going to show you a fun game.
Okay, do this. 10.
10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. 13. This is 17 now. 15. 12. Next.
Say 10 plus 8.
10 plus 8. 10 plus 1, 11. 2, 1. Oh, there is 19.
Same.
10 plus 4, 14. Where is going to come 9, Mom? 10 plus 6,
Say, what are you writing?
16. Hey, here is 9, 1.
Okay, Nikhil. 1, 9, Maira. उल्टा पढ़ रहा.
1, 1, 9, 19, 20.
सो इस तरीके से हम बच्चों को 10 के बाद की नंबर काउंटिंग एंड नंबर राइटिंग ऐसे ही सिखाएंगे. सो इस तरीके से उनके नंबर राइटिंग एंड नंबर काउंटिंग में भी प्रैक्टिस हो जा रही है. तो हर बार हम फिंगर पे 10 के बाद काउंटिंग करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू मेक किड्स लर्न देयर नंबर्स आफ्टर 10 and addition of numbers after 10 without using their finger countings. And Samira has learned it very quickly and easily. है ना Samira?
Yes, yes, yes. जब don't talk me
Okay.
in Hindi.
Next 20 plus 7.
27. My birthday, August 27.
Next.
Next 20. 23. 23. And little funny. 25. 25.
But you have to say na 20 plus 5 like that.
25. 26.
Very good.
24.
Very good.
And nothing else.
Very good. She is doing all 40 series.
Yeah, 40 series.
Hmm. Say
41.
right. 40 plus 4. Say like that.
40 plus 4, 44.
Hmm.
Where is 46?
It will come. You write first.
Maybe at the end
Okay,
again.
okay. Right.
40. Who is waiting for 49? Me.
Can you read loudly, Maira? We can also hear you.
Okay.
48.
48.
Next.
T plus 3. 43.
Next.
40 plus 2. 42.
Next.
40 plus 5. You know? 45.
Good.
40 plus 7. 47. In the end, the surprise for Maira, the best surprise, 46.
राइटिंग एंड काउंटिंग के बाद काउंट एंड राइट, यू हैव टू काउंट. सो ये हम कैसे करेंगे? बच्चे से ऐसे करवाएंगे. इफ इट इज इन अ बॉक्स, इट इज हाउ मच समायरा?
10.
So you no need to count the box, just count number outside. 10 plus level 12. Do like that, Samara. Chalo.
10 plus 10.
First this one.
We have 10 in the box. Now we need to count this outside one. Level 12.
Very good.
Don't start with 10 again.
Yes.
It will become
teacher.
into 2.
Okay, teacher.
Well,
Very good. Then
then
this is 10. How much?
10.
And this is
10.
2 tens makes
20.
हाँ.
2 10 makes 20 is
This?
easy. Don't write 2.
Yeah.
10 plus nothing.
So
So 10.
Yes.
There's only 10 in the box, so
Okay,
we
next.
need to next 10. Don't count from starting. Just count like this. Level 12, 13, 14, 15.
excellent.
Don't count 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Yes.
It will become into 5.
Yes, right.
Yes, 15.
Very good. Next.
Next,
Next.
next like 10 plus 1 ball. Don't write 1 like this. There's 10 in the box and count from 10. 11 like that. So we need to write 11.
Next.
Don't cheat like
Yeah. Okay. Next.
don't cheat like you are just making another ball. Don't cheat like that.
Okay. Next.
Next, there are 10 balls. Okay, so count like this. Don't count from starting. Okay, you got it?
Yes.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is equals to 17.
Very good.
Missing numbers.
Yes.
Okay, don't just write. Don't just copy the same 13. You need to write after 13. You need to write.
Okay, teacher.
If you don't know, you can write one box. Then they will know it. that
Okay.
you need to put it in a one box,
Okay, right.
not in two box.
Okay, ma'am.
13, 14.
Next.
Next